Your short goes through 3 distribution waves, and you need to perform at each level to keep getting pushed. Wave 1, from 500 to 1.5K views. This one's pretty easy to reach, and even easier to pass. To get to 500 views, all you need is good video quality, clean audio, and proper metadata, title, description, and tags that tell the algorithm what your video's about. To pass the 1.5K mark and enter Wave 2, you'll need 40 to 50% average view duration, 40 to 50% stay to watch. That tells YouTube, hey, people are actually watching this. Get those numbers right, and boom, welcome to Wave 2, from 1.5 to 3K views. Now your video is being shown to a broader audience. To move forward, you'll need 60% plus average view duration, 60% plus stay to watch, and a 3% plus like to view ratio. Hit those numbers, and your video keeps getting pushed all the way to 12.5K views. Wave 3, the breakdown phase, from 12.5K to 25K views. This is where it all changes. Your short is now being pushed to a much wider audience, and if your stats aren't solid, it ends here. To survive Wave 3 and go viral, you need 90% plus average view duration, 75% plus stay to watch, 5% plus like to view ratio, and at least 1% of viewers commenting. If you hit those stats, congratulations, you're now inside the viral loop. Here's an example from one of my shorts. At 12.5K views, it hit the right stats, and it kept exploding. But here's another one. It stalled at 25K. The stats? Decent, but almost no comments. That's the key. So now you know exactly how YouTube Shorts go viral. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.